I joined the High School Career Express program basically just to see what different job opportunities there are out there.
This is such an amazing program to go through when you don't know what you want to do later on in life.
This program is going to help me find out what I want to do in the future.
There's just so many different jobs and so many different places that you go with this Career Express program. There's definitely something that you will find interesting about it.
I would recommend the High School Career Express program to any student that isn't necessarily sure what field they want to go into. Or if they do have a field in mind, it still lets them get more experience with that field, because sometimes you're only working based off assumptions and you're not gaining real-world experience, and this lets you gain that real-world experience.